A, we wanted to give one or two of the new boys a taste of it. B, some of the guys who've not been with us for a while, we wanted them to, they needed to be reintroduced to it. And that was really what we were looking for, You always want to win, of course you do. We know that. You want to get a result. There was other issues for us that we needed to concentrate on. So really we got out of it what we wanted, There's a couple of debutants come through unscathed and enjoyed it and did well. And like I say, some of the other lads who've not been with us for a while, they got a bit more time on the pitch. So it was a positive night for us all round, really. Ben's in my plans. He's available. Trained very well today with the group. And yeah, it's nice to have Ben back. He's fit and he's available for selection. When we put the red jersey on, we have to play with meaning, and that's always been the question to the players and the challenge. And we always say, look, Plan B is working harder at Plan A. Our Plan A has been very good, so we're a hard-working team first and foremost. And Ashley Williams, if you like, whether he's playing here, there, or anywhere, he's always the same in his mentality. It's always about Wales, and it's always about playing with that meaning and representing his country with everything he's got. And if you're of that mentality and you don't look at the person in front of you as a name or a superstar or as a big country, you look at it as a challenge, then you're okay. You're going to be all right. And that's what we have to do. We know everyone says it's such a hard place to go. It's freezing cold. It's very harsh. It's unfriendly. It's this, it's that. Fine. Whatever it is, it is. We've got to look at ourselves and think, how do we cope with that? Can we stand up to the challenge? And that's always the message to the players, no matter where we play or who we play. It's not a challenge, and is can we meet it?
To get back together, it's been a good couple of months now since we were last together. And in terms of the week we had before that game, sort of some of the information we were given for the summer was important. And then the game was one where I think, going forward, we're going to face a little bit more now. Teams coming or playing against us and sitting back, and sort of the onus is on us to break the team down a little bit more than what we faced in recent times. And I think that shows how far we've come. You can have the best team spirit in the world, and you can all get on off the pitch and eat together and have a laugh. But I think when you're on the pitch, the difference between that is knowing that you really are all together. And we've come through some real tricky games, backs to the wall, and we were standing next to each other and all wanting the exact same thing. And I think that's the real measure of team spirit is, when the going gets tough on the pitch, you trust every single player. I'm sure international squads look forward to getting together, but you do just sense that, every time we meet up, everyone really enjoys it, and the staff we have, it's a special place to be at the minute, and obviously that helps with being successful. But I think the manager sort of epitomises that he's got the perfect balance with him and his staff of how much involvement they have with the group, and it's just a complete level of respect from the players to the staff and everyone that shares this camp together.